How to use Stremio on PC or laptop. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a guide for you to use and download Stremio on your PC or on your laptop. It's very easy to use. So all you have to do at first is of course to download the client. Open up your available web browser, and on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head straight into Stremio.com's official site, which is going to be here. Now all I have to do is to hit on downloads. However, if you're running up on a different operating system, choose on other downloads. And then here you can basically download for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux. Now once you've successfully downloaded it, this is going to be the interface. Now you do not need to create or log in into account, you can simply use it as a guest. But take note that not all movies are available to watch on Stremio for a guest login. So say for example you would like to have this one. You need to install add-ons for this specific movie so you can stream on it. And that is how you use Stremio for PC and laptop.